example, how do the instrumentation companies, so almost you are transforming from an instrument company into an EDA company, which was actually from measurement to now almost like design tools. I think we know that Keysight works with almost all the three EDA partners in RF and microwave design techniques. So how is this transformation is happening? So, and what technologies actually enable you to do that?
Yeah, like you rightly said, right? When people think of Keysight or typically the instrumentation ecosystem, we are considered to be hardware players. But at the end of the day, it is not just hardware, right? There is a lot of so-called softwareization which is happening these days, right? So, and there is also leverage of scale, especially when you softwareize the entire stack, right? So end to end. So having said that, typically when I say Keysight, we are there in the entire signal chain, starting from simulation and modeling, going all the way to AI tools for signal automation and so on. And as well the entire, you have a lot of pre-silicon folks here, but we enter the scene with validation, characterization, testing and so on. So I mean that's kind of our bread and butter. But if you are looking at something incremental, so it is through the software techniques which we introduced as part of the overall experience, right? For example, today if somebody wants to buy an oscilloscope, it's not no longer an oscilloscope these days, right? When you're in college, okay, it would measure the time, frequency, voltage, and current. That's it, right? Today, an oscilloscope is just the brand name, but at the end of the day, it's a very high-performance signal analyzer. So, for example, if you are looking at, say, PAM8 signal, which is going to drive the next 1.6 tera for a hyperscaler or a data center, right? You need oscilloscopes per se.
So Girish, what you're saying is today measurement and testing is built into the design, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And if you are talking about, say, PCI Express Gen 6, we work very, very closely with the PCIC. Coincidentally, one of our principal engineers, Mr. Rick Yates, is the chairman of the board of directors at PCIC. So we are pretty much entrenched into the ecosystem. And coming back to the question, right, there is a lot of software content which gets into it. And with the disruption which has happened due to the COVID pandemic, right, the software content which gets into instrumentation has kind of improved manifold. Today, if somebody is not able to buy, say, a $1.2 million oscilloscope, which is one of our flagship products, which we are demonstrating here, he or she can definitely go for an offline version of the same product, everything in software at a fraction of the cost. And down the line, if you are looking at something which you want to purchase with deep pockets, right, definitely you can do that as well. What I'm trying to emphasize here is there is no one size fits all. There is a choice for everyone, and everyone gets to have because of the softwareization of the entire T&M stack.
Thanks, Girish. Now,